we're ready to go to outer space. Let's do it. All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Dave Doc DIY. We're going to stay on the theme of bathroom demo. I just recently posted that video where it's a tutorial on how to really demo your bathroom. I obviously ran into some curveballs if you guys checked out that video, but we're sitting here outside of Home Depot. I got to go demo a bathroom on a job right now where this is an older bathroom. It's got terrible insulation in it, and I'm going to be getting the Tyvek suit. I'm going to be doing all of that. So if you were ever curious about some of the things you should get to protect yourself while you're demoing your bathroom, I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that you can get for a pretty cheap price just so you can keep yourself protected. I obviously already have a mask, but I need some new filters for this, so I'm going to grab some new filters. I'm going to get a Tyvek suit, going to get all that stuff. I'll tell you guys the total cost of protecting yourself while demoing an old bathroom. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. The theft at Home Depot is like crazy. I see stuff all over the shelves, just like stolen. This is in a nice area too. I don't get it. So here's what we got. We've got our new respirators. This is a cartridge type, so I want to try to throw these new cartridges on. They should fit on my 3M. This was $14. I went with the Tyvek suit. Home Depot has their own brand of their suit, but this definitely looked better for $3 more. Home Depot suit comparable to this one, $13. This was $16. So we're up to 30 bucks right here. And then we've got some bags for my shop vac just because there's a lot of blown in insulation there. This was 20 bucks for 2 bags. Man, they really get you on these bags for your shop vac, man. I feel like they should be cheaper than that. They're just some plastic bags. I don't get it. Let's get over to the job. Let's get this demoed out. I'll give you some tips along the way. All right, guys, we are here. Let's go upstairs and look at what we got to demo out here. All right, guys, so here's what we're dealing with in this bathroom. As you can see, I already demoed out the tub and the shower walls. That's actually a short on my YouTube channel and everywhere else. This toilet is the only toilet that's functioning. I have this temporarily hooked up as this job is going on here, but here's all the drywall that I have to get out. And as you can see, we have this old insulation in here. This is the itchy stuff. Now, this isn't super old, but it's very old. The reason I got all that Tyvek suit and everything is because I'm going to be taking the ceiling out here, and I have no clue what kind of insulation is going to be in there. It's going to be a mess in here. This window is going to get taken out at a later time, but for now I'm going to be putting this fan in the window to blow all this insulation out. I'm going to put on the Tyvek suit, going to put my new filters on the mask, going to throw the bag into our shop vac here so I can get all of this old insulation out. It's not going to be a fun job, but that's why we're taking all these precautions. I usually don't do stuff like this on jobs too, honestly. I like to show up and have it demoed, but sometimes you just got to do it. All right, we're just going to check out our filters here. As you can see, they come in like hardcore sealed bag. I'm going to hold on to these too because those old filters, you can replace the filter inside of them. Simple as that. All right, this feels pretty good. These actually give me a little bit better vision too, so looking good. All right, we're just gonna get our bag in the shop vac right now. And like I said, this comes with 2. Oh, came with 3, cool. Just gonna get this little hole right here. This is gonna go onto where all the trash comes out. We're just gonna snug this all the way up to the end here. And as you can see, we're on. All our trash is going to go right into this bag so I can easily dispose it and not get insulation everywhere. Now it's time to get our lovely suit on here. Even has little booty covers. Nice little zip. This is an XL, which is made for people from, I think it said 5'8" to 6'3". Get these big boots in there, that's where the problem can start to happen. Because guess what? These are some precautions I used to not take. But I don't feel like getting crap all over my clothes and then tracking it into my truck and then tracking it home to my kids. I'll spend the 16 bucks. Stay safe here. We're ready to go to outer space. Let's do it. I'm going to do a bulk of the nasty stuff. We're going to start off with the ceiling here. I'm going to kind of push the camera out of the room here because I don't want my camera to get destroyed while we're doing this too. But we're going to get this ceiling out. And hopefully it's not too bad. Alright guys, so I had an issue with my wrap up yesterday, but when it comes to this safety equipment, especially the Tyvek suit, this was a very successful job. These are the precautions that you need to take when you're doing bathrooms like this. You should get the Tyvek suit, you should wear the mask, you should wear goggles. That's one thing I should have done yesterday. I did not buy a pair of goggles, and I should have done that because if there was anything that was bothering me after this was done, which I went and cleaned up afterwards still, but if anything, it was maybe my eyes that were a little itchy, so that's definitely dumb on my part. All I have left to do is pull nails. I didn't get that done yesterday. I kind of wanted to give everything time to settle and let the dust settle in here. If you guys have any questions about your bathroom demo, let me know in the comment section down below, obviously. And if you guys want to see more of this renovation, let me know about that too. I've got 3 bathroom renovations going on right now, so I'm a bathroom guy. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Be careful. Enjoy your project that you're doing because, to be honest with you, it's a fun thing. I love my job. Thanks for following Dave Doc DIY. See you next time.